You know, so many of us want to learn a new language, but where do you even begin? Well, today we're going to jump right in. We're going to tackle Portuguese by learning how to talk our way through a whole day, from that very first good morning all the way to good night. So, are you ready? Ready to have your very first conversation in a brand new language? Because honestly, by the time we're done here, that's exactly what you'll be able to do. You'll have the keys for real, simple conversations. See, the goal here isn't just to stuff your head with words. It's to get you speaking. Like right now. Forget all those complicated grammar tables for a second. We're just going to skip them. Today is all about pure, useful communication. We're going to walk through a typical day and just pick up the most practical, must-know phrases as we go along. Sound good? Okay, let's dive in. The sun's coming up, it's a brand new day, so let's start with the first and honestly the most common words you're gonna need for a Portuguese morning. All right, first things first. You open your eyes, you see someone, what do you say? You say, bom dia. Simple as that. It's just a perfect, super friendly way to kick off any chat in the morning. Okay, so how are you actually feeling this morning? If it's a fantastic day, you can say, eu estou feliz. I'm happy. But hey, we all have those days, right? If you woke up on the wrong side of the bed, it's estou triste. I'm sad. Just two really simple ways to let someone know your mood. So you've woken up, you've said hello. What's usually the very next thought that pops into your head? For me, it's food. So to say, I'm hungry, you just say, tenho fome. And this one's pretty crucial, right? Because breakfast is definitely calling your name. All right, let's talk about that morning routine. Before you grab that breakfast, you might say, vamos lavar as mãos, which is, let's wash our hands. Super important. And then afterwards, vamos escovar os dentes. Let's brush our teeth. And just like that, you've basically narrated your whole get-ready routine for the day. Okay, morning routine, check. You've had some food, you're all set. Now it's time to get out there and explore the world. And we're going to do it with some brand new words. So, you want to get the fun started? You can just say, eu quero brincar lá fora. It means I want to play outside. I mean, that one phrase right there, it literally opens the door to a whole world of adventures. And once you're out there, you can start painting a picture with your words. Look up. Is the sun out? O sol está brilhando. Oh, what's that? You can point and say, é pássaro. It's a bird. Or maybe, eu vejo uma árvore. I see a tree. Hear a car drive past? É carro. See? You're not just saying words, you're actually interacting with everything you see and hear. Now, while you're outside, you are absolutely going to need these two. If that sun is just beating down, you can say, está quente. It's hot. But if a little breeze picks up and it gets chilly, you'll say, está frío. It's cold. Super, super useful and really easy to remember. All right, so whether you're playing with friends or just off on your own adventure, you've got to be able to express what you want and how you feel, right? So this next batch of phrases, it's all about making sure you can communicate clearly. Okay, this is a really powerful pair of opposites. Let's say you're loving that snack or maybe a game. You say, quero mais, I want more. But what if you're done? You just say, no quero, I don't want it. Think about it. With just those two little phrases, you can state your opinion on pretty much anything. Now, these next two are fundamental, especially when it comes to sharing. You're holding on to your favorite toy, you'd say, é meu, it's mine. But then, if you're handing it over to a friend, é seu, it's yours. It's really the language of possession, but also generosity, all boiled down to two simple phrases. You know, sometimes things can get a little bit overwhelming. Maybe it starts to get dark, or you hear a weird noise. It's so important to know how to say, eu estou com medo. I am scared. It's a really powerful phrase, you know? It's about letting someone know you're feeling vulnerable. Okay, so the sun is starting to set. Playtime is winding down, and you can just feel that energy shifting, can't you? It's time to slow things down and learn some calm evening phrases. And what's a perfect way to relax at the end of the day? How about this? Vamos ler livro. Let's read a book. It's such a great invitation to just slow down and share a nice, quiet moment. Yeah, after a whole day of learning and playing and exploring, you are definitely going to feel this. Estou cansado. I'm tired. It's just the most natural feeling at the end of a busy day. And it's the perfect signal that, yep, it's time to rest.
And last, the final words of the day. As you're turning off the lights, you say, Boa noite. Good night. It's warm, it's simple, and it's the perfect bookend to that bon dia we started with all those hours ago.
So, there we go. We've made it through an entire day in Portuguese. But before we wrap up, I want to pull together a quick little cheat sheet for you. Just a few all-purpose phrases that you can use anytime, anywhere. Think of these as your social power-ups. Need a hand? Me ajuda, por favor. Super polite. Want to borrow something? Pode emprestar? And if you want to give someone a little encouragement, muito bem is very good. And of course, parabéns means congratulations. These are seriously perfect for just unlocking all those friendly day-to-day interactions. And there you have it, a whole toolkit of phrases to get you through a day in Portuguese. We've given you the words, we've walked through the day, but the real question is, which one of these are you going to use first? Your journey into this beautiful language starts with just one phrase. So go on, pick one, and use it.